Hey there, Marauders. Dr. Neishman, I have exciting news. We got your signs. They're ready to go home. They're ready to be adorned in your yard. But that's only one step of how to celebrate in style with these awesome signs. See, you still need to put them up. And there are big questions there. Do you put it in your backyard? Probably not. Do you put it in that awkward space between your house and your neighbor's house? Like, who even mows that, right? Do you put it too close to the curb? Oh, it's red. Fire hydrants are red. People are walking their dogs. Can't have that happen to the Marauder. So I'd suggest proper distance in your front yard where all can see. You don't want to, no, that's nothing. It's a blizzard. Nobody likes that. This side. So let me show you how to properly put it up in your yard. First, notice the two stakes at the bottom should nicely go into the ground. Clearly they're not going to work on the sidewalk or the driveway. I know because I tried. Okay, so there's a little place for your foot here if you need it. You push in. Now, let's say that's not enough. Oh, it's the spirit stake. I just happen to have it lying around. Same way in the olden days, they used to put those signs in front of businesses, hammering them down, saying, "This is my place." Just did that. And just for effect, I'm going to put this little guy here. All right. So my sign is properly adorned. It looks great. The final thing is when you put it in, and this is a requirement, you have to do this, okay? This is the most important piece. The sign setup is not complete until you kneel in front of it, look around proudly and go, "Yes, I am graduated from MacArthur 2020, not the show, the graduating year. Come celebrate me." And then I'd sit there for like 20, 30 minutes to 5 hours. Just passerbys, they're gonna wanna say congratulations. All right, that's it. I can't wait to see these signs out and about. And congratulations, class of 2020. See you soon.